If Santa were to stop anywhere tonight, what would make a garden worth landing in? Not rooftops or chimneys, but a quiet place, softened by moss, silvered with frost, and glowing gently under a winter moon. This is reindeer gardening. Not a real attempt to attract animals, but a mythical style of planting inspired by northern landscapes and the stories we've wrapped around reindeer for centuries. It's about imagination, folklore, and the magic of winter gardens, where each plant tells a story and each corner feels alive with possibility. Long before Christmas cards and jingling bells, reindeer were sacred animals in northern folklore. In Sámi traditions, they were guides, protectors, and symbols of survival through the darkest months of the year. They moved across tundra, birch woodland, and frozen ground softened by moss and lichen. They were hardy, resilient, and connected deeply to the land. These landscapes weren't colorful. They were muted, textured, and quiet, alive in subtle ways. Frost sparkling on lichen, the pale bark of birch, snow settling gently on tall grasses. And that's where this garden begins. A garden that captures the spirit of winter, the calm of untouched land, and the quiet footsteps of folklore. If a sleigh were to touch down anywhere, it wouldn't be on a clipped lawn. It would land on moss. Moss cushions sound, holds moisture, and glows softly in low winter light. In gardens, it gathers in shady corners, along stone edges, and beneath trees, creating a surface that feels ancient and undisturbed. Imagine walking barefoot on soft green moss after a frost. It's that feeling of calm, serenity, and magic all in one. Lichen plays a role too, not something we easily plant, but something that appears with time and patience. Letting it grow is a quiet lesson in stillness, showing how the smallest organisms can create texture and beauty over years. A garden that allows lichen to flourish feels older, wilder, and more magical, as if it belongs to another world. If there are trees in a reindeer garden, they are birch and willow. Birch catches the moonlight, its pale bark glowing even on the darkest nights. Willow bends and moves with the wind, softening the garden's edges and bringing life to still air. These trees don't dominate. They shelter and frame, creating quiet spaces for imagination to wander. Picture a gentle breeze rustling through willow branches, carrying the faint scent of pine and earth, a perfect pause for any mythical visitor. So carrots aren't really about feeding reindeer at all. They are a symbol, a gesture, a tradition passed down through stories. In a mythical reindeer garden, carrots belong in baskets, hung as decorations, or left as signs of welcome, not planted as bait. What truly makes a garden feel like a sleigh stop isn't plants alone. It's atmosphere. Soft, warm light instead of brightness. The quiet sound of a bell moving in the wind. Open space that feels calm rather than busy. A moonlit path. A wooden arch. In reality, reindeer don't visit most gardens, and that's as it should be. Wild animals belong in wild places. But gardens have always been places of storytelling, where imagination grows alongside plants. By creating a mythical reindeer garden, you are connecting with folklore, with the calm of winter landscapes, and with the wonder of the natural world. And sometimes, especially in winter, a garden doesn't need visitors to feel magical. The frost, the moonlight, the whisper of wind through trees, and the shimmer of snow are enough. You may never see reindeer in your garden, but you can grow a place shaped by winter myth, a space where silence feels intentional, frost feels beautiful, and the night feels full of possibility. And if Santa were ever looking for somewhere to stop, this garden would be ready.